Cape Cod Community College Aviation program is by far the most prestigious and intense training, but worth it. I was in the Marine Corps for 9 years in aviation, and that's where I actually fell in love with the whole behind the scenes of aircraft.
Before I came here, I was working part-time as a retail associate at JCPenney. I used to work at shops time to time.
Worked at a body shop for the past 5 years. I always wanted to work on airplanes. I never knew anything about it, and that's what made me interested in it.
When I saw the need in the industry, the need for mechanics, and the fact that I love it so much, it was really a no-brainer.
Love building stuff. I've been doing it since I was a little kid with blocks and then Legos and then now the real thing almost, I guess, at this point.
Kind of want to jump into my career.
This is for anybody who wants to get their hands dirty, figure things out, troubleshoot.
Just as my playground.
They are very technically advanced in their training.
It's pretty impressive. I mean, we go around to a lot of different schools. The facility here seems to be pretty top-notch.
All state-of-the-art, new equipment.
Everything's right with you inside the facility.
Welding, painting booths.
We have simulators.
We had a full-blown jet come in, so we can do a full engine removal and replacement and on a real live running engine. And that's just crazy.
The students have the opportunity to really get their hands on a lot of brand new state-of-the-art training equipment to make them even better mechanics than they were.
Teachers are great. They're always around to help you. If you don't understand anything, they're always available.
Very, very important that starting off from day one you get great training and are taught the right way the first time.
They have a lot of real-world experience.
We have people that come from the airlines, we have people that come from the military, we have people that come from general aviation, so we kind of get all aspects of it.
It's the care that's put into it.
They set you up before you're even ready to go, so you feel confident about leaving.
Bring your passion, we'll help you further that passion, develop that passion, and get you into the industry.
There's a huge need in the industry right now for A&P mechanics.
There's just a lot of demand for this skill set.
We're hiring a lot of A&Ps. There's a lot of demand. The baby boomers are retiring, and people aren't there to backfill that.
There is a feeding frenzy in the job market. Most people don't realize, but the current group of A&P mechanics that service the industry are rapidly approaching retirement.
We recognize the need in the industry, and we recognize the opportunity for our students, and we have the faculty and we have the staff that are enabling that success.
It definitely takes a lot of dedication.
This is a great field. If you want to work, prepare to be worked. It's really hard work, but it really is gratifying.
Everything you're learning is the correct way. They teach you everything to make sure you have a lifelong career.
It kind of pushes you. It really drives you to crack down, focus, get it done.
They have their eye on the ball, they're taking that long-term view, and they realize that, hey, this is going to pay off when it's done.
We have huge companies coming to look at our school.
We're finding that students really don't know about this career, especially kids in college or maybe just starting college, getting out of high school. So we're trying to educate them more in that, get them young, get them interested.
Our fleet is growing, our staff is growing constantly.
They become a great technician, they can then advance to, say, an inspector, a lead tech, into management. Really, the sky is the limit.
I've been in the industry for quite a long time. It's the best facility and the best school that I've ever seen.
It's inspiring. I think when you see our faculty, when you see our staff in there working with them, and you understand what the mission is, why we're here, and this is where it's coming together.
No matter what career you choose, as long as you're having fun in it and you love it and you're passionate about it, go for it.
We are like a family. I would definitely, we're all in this together. We help each other. I think we'll be friends for life.
Having seen the students come together for the first time and continuing to follow them through this learning process, it's been thrilling to watch, and it's even going to be more thrilling to see what the outcome is as they launch their careers.